In this video, we will show you how to activate a registration or application form so you can fill in your details. So why do you even need an activation code? The process of requesting the activation code checks that you have opened the form in Adobe Reader DC. If you fill it in another program, the SEC office won't be able to process it on their system. It also shows that your computer is compatible with the form, that your internet strength is strong enough to submit your completed form, and that your email address is linked to Adobe Reader DC. This is all done before you take the time to fill in the form. The activation code is a 6-digit code that you will type into this box. Click the activation code button to begin the process to request the activation code. If this is the first time you are doing this process on the computer, you should see the following box. Select Use Webmail. Click Select and add Gmail from the list. We have found Gmail to be the most reliable throughout the application process. Do not use Hotmail. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Tick the Remember My Choice box and then click Continue. Adobe Reader DC will ask you to sign into your Gmail account using your email address and password. Click Next. When you click the activation code button, it will create a draft email in your email account. You will send this email and receive the activation code back in response. This message is just Gmail double checking that you are giving Adobe Acrobat permission to create this draft email. To continue, click Allow. It will take a minute or two to create the draft email. If a window does not automatically open your email in your internet browser, open your email account, go to the Drafts folder and select the most recently created draft email. Click Send on the email. Now go to your inbox and within a few minutes you should receive an email with the activation code. Make sure to also check your junk folder for this email. Sometimes applicants can have some issues with requesting the activation code. So here's what you need to do if you don't receive the activation code in an email, or nothing happens when you click the activation code button, or if you would just like to remove your email from Adobe Acrobat Reader DC after you've finished this process. Go back to the form in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Click Edit and then select Preference from the drop-down menu. A pop-up box will appear. Select Email Accounts from the list of categories. Here you can add your email address manually. Click your email address and then click Make Default. Once a tick is beside your email address, click OK and then click the activation code button on the form. If you wish to remove your email address from this list, highlight your email address by clicking once on it and select Delete. And if you're still stuck, email support@secgrant.ie.